Hey guys, what's up? Today I am doing a review of this Weber Spirit propane grill. This is the stainless steel. We've had this grill for many years and it's been awesome. It always works for us. We've had different grills in the past where the igniter doesn't work, but this one has worked awesome. It has two side little tables that are fixed. They don't move or come down, and two little hooks if you need them. It has the dial, the gauge to see how hot it is on top, and then 3 burners. We obviously need to clean this, but there's 3 burners under here, 1, 2, and 3, with a top rack if needed. And then it also has 4 wheels underneath it. 2 have brakes, which is really nice. Here's what it looks like in the back. And then underneath is where the propane tank lives. And another nice thing, so this is a magnetic door. But another nice feature is that it shows, as you can see, we are empty on the propane, but it's a little weight is how it goes by, and it shows if it's full or halfway. And then obviously we need to change it soon. So there's a little oil pan, drip pan there, and this can come out and you can clean it all to prevent a fire hazard. So yeah, that's our grill. We absolutely love it. It's a perfect size, not too massive, but definitely not too small. We grill a lot on it, so if you're looking for a nice grill, I highly recommend this one.